Let's discuss how to start and stop the fabric. Okay, so we are in the fabric folder. So we have start fabric, stop fabric. Okay, and we have a tear down fabric. We will use these three commands. So this start fabric will start the fabric. Okay, so this fabric runs on a Docker, right? So let's see, is there a fabric running? No, nothing is running. No Docker container is running. So let's start fabric. Okay, before we start fabrics, let's run a watch command. I have run, yeah, watch command. So Docker ps. Okay, my watch command is running here. I am going to start the fabric. So, starting, yeah, you can see that the Docker container is getting started. Yeah, and sleeping 50 seconds to wait complete startup. Okay, let it finish the starting process. Yeah, successfully submitted the proposal to join channel. Okay, that's done. Now how to stop? We successfully started. Now we have to stop. Stop. The command is stop fabric. Okay, you can see that is stopping one by one, and the containers are going away from here. Yeah, go. Okay, in the document they have mentioned one more thing called, so at the end of your development session you run stop fabric. Okay, and then tear down fabric. Okay, note that if you have run tear down script, next time you start runtime, you will need to create peer admin card just like you did on first time startup. Okay, this step you have to repeat. That's what they mentioned. Okay, that's about starting and stopping the fabric. Okay, thank you. Bye.